Hello, this is Arth reporting from Oroville. So I just got dropped off from the bus around like 10 a.m. and from there I started walking actually to know the Oroville streets better. I have two bags here with me. I hope you can see. But yeah, it's a pretty long walk. I would say it's around 2 kilometers from the dropping point on the main road. But still, I chose to go to walk because in between there is a famous Oroville bakery, so I wanted to go there as well. So yeah, it will be leg trekking, but let's see what happens. So this is how it looks like. I guess it would be like pretty empty roads in the night, but yeah, many people suggested that you shouldn't come here at night and stay at your place wherever you are staying. So yeah, let's do some experience today, and I think I'll go to the bakery and give you some like sorts of whatever I'm having, and if I get a chance, and let you know like is it real worth it or not. So yeah, again I'll see you later. So after last video, I just went to Oroville bakery and get some croissant, and after that I directly went to the stay where I'm staying. It's Joestar. It's over there, the white building, not the white building but the building below the white building. So yeah, I'm staying there. It's just past the main road, and so actually my plan was to eat at the Oroville bakery, but I was kind of short of time, and yeah, I have to manage many things, so that's why I left from there with packed croissant, and now I am freshen up, and I am going for one of the good restaurants for pizza in Oroville. So this is called the Tanka Pizzeria. So yeah, let's see how the experience goes there. I'll show you pizza if the recordings are allowed. So basically here in Oroville bakery as well, the recordings weren't allowed, or even the photography as well. So yeah, hopefully if I can get some shots over there, then I'll definitely show over here. Otherwise let's deal with it. So yeah, see you. You can find several cafes on the road. There are some famous cafes here. There is a branch of HDFC Bank as well. So yeah, it's completely filled with cafes on the both sides. The road is kind of remote. You won't get much, the rides and everything, because there are autos which will go by, but it's not very frequent. So definitely there are certain points where you will get the autos, but yeah, you need to walk till those points. I'm not sure about taxi or car or anything, but I think the services for Uber, etc. aren't working here, I guess. I just got saved by a speed driver. So yeah, there is yeah, so that's it. Overall, currently it's giving a cool vibe. So yeah, let's see. I have to spend the whole day here. So yeah, let's see. So this is the tent of Pizzeria. I had a whole big pizza for myself, and yeah, I would say it was good and a bit different from what we generally eat into cafes and all. It was actual wood fire pizza, and the taste and base was a different. I don't know, it's original Italian pizzas, but yeah, it was cool. So yeah, you can definitely try those pizzas over there. And yeah, now I'm just heading back to the hostel, and I'll do some work, and hopefully in the evening I'll go to the main Auroville places, which is like Matri Mandir and visitor centers, everything. So yeah, I'll be covering those. Let's see how it goes. After taking some break, it's evening again, and it's the exploration time. So fortunately I found a friend in my dorm. So here's the Tejas. He's also from Gujarat, Surat, and we just met, and we were working together, I think for 3 to 4 hours, and then we decided to just go out and explore the Auroville. So yeah, like we previously planned for a bicycle trip or something like that, but then we choose to, like, you know, walk away and explore as much as we can. So it's just up to you. Anything you want to say?
Yeah, it's a great weather here, Pondicherry, and let's explore what Pondicherry has to offer.
Yeah. So yeah, it's a bit humid here, to be honest, but still the weather is you know, calm, and there are not lots of vehicles and noises aren't there. So we are just enjoying it here as of now. Yeah, I think we'll be splitting up tomorrow because I'll be going to another place to stay. But yeah, I think still we'll try to meet again somehow. And yeah, let's see where we end up after this. See you later. While exploring, like, we end up at a community sport ground. Wait. There is a basketball court, this is volleyball court, and there are people playing football as well, and wind is also right. So yeah, we are just exploring the inner circle of Auroville. There are different type of races, you know, you can see.
Yeah, multi-community, multicultural.
So here people from around the world came here, and they just stay here for being you know, kind of citizen of this place. So yeah, again you can see there is a tennis court as well. Yeah, let's meet again after few exploration. Bye bye. So we just went to that community ground of Auroville, and they were playing like different sports, including football, tennis, and there are some cultural, like Indian sports as well, like volleyball and other sports which we generally play here. So yeah, it was like very cool experience, because the kids from, you know, around the globe, they're just playing with each other, and they're just communicating and it felt like there is no gap between, you know, the borders or the world. So they just, do you want to say something about that?
Yeah, it was a great experience seeing people across the globe playing together, having fun with each other, and socializing with each other. You hardly find this kind of place anywhere in the world.
Yeah, right. Like for a moment we also decided to, you know, stay here for a long and be the member of this community. But yeah, maybe in next life or somewhere. Yeah, so you can see we are just walking out for Matri Mandir, which is main attraction for this Auroville. Then I think it will be closed by the time we reach there, but still we decided to walk and take a look at that place. So yeah, that's it. So we are just around the corner of Matri Mandir, and we are just literally walking through the forest, and you can see there is no one around here. We are just two people and hearing some bird chirping.
Maybe we will feel some wild encounter.
Yeah, there could be a chances of
A bear or leopard or some wild.
Yeah, but I think it's just around the corner, so we'll reach by then in like 5 minutes. So yeah, let's see, let's meet there. So we reached here and it was closed, the way to, you know, watch the actual Matri Mandir, but here we ended up in a, you know, maybe a trespassing place to see this glow from far. It's still under development. Yeah, there are certain areas which is currently getting developed. So yeah, I think we won't stay here for long, and we'll just go, because I'll be coming here on 15th, I guess, for actually go inside Matri Mandir for inner chamber. So yeah, this I think concludes our today's journey in Auroville.